Bitter gourd, or Karela, is one of the healthiest vegetables. It's full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It can be eaten as a vegetable, pickle, or as a juice. Let's take a look at some of the health benefits of bitter gourd juice. 1. It can lower blood sugar levels. Bitter melon is linked to lowering the body's blood sugar. This is because the bitter melon has properties that act like insulin, which helps bring glucose into the cells for energy. The consumption of bitter gourd can help your cells use glucose and move it to your liver, muscles, and fat. 2. Good for the skin and hair. Karela is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and C, which are good for the skin. It reduces aging and fights acne and skin blemishes. It's useful in treating various skin infections like ringworm, psoriasis, and itching. Karela juice adds luster to the hair and combats dandruff, hair loss, and split ends. 3. Liver cleanser. Bitter gourd is liver-friendly and helps to detoxify it. It boosts the liver enzymes and is a good cure for a hangover as it reduces alcohol deposits on the liver. The bladder and the gut also benefit from consuming Karela. 4. Good for digestion. Regular consumption of bitter gourd contributes to relieving constipation and indigestion. It supports healthy gut bacteria, which favors digestion and nutrient absorption. 5. Improves cardiac health. Various antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds are present in bitter gourd. It also helps in lowering the bad cholesterol levels, thus reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. 6. Combats cancer. Karela boosts immunity and prevents allergies and infections, but its most significant benefit is that it fights cancer. It works against cancer cells' proliferation and stops tumor formation. The risk of certain types of cancer is significantly reduced after regular consumption of bitter gourd. 7. Weight management. Karela aids in weight loss as it is low in calories and fiber-rich. It stops the formation and growth of cells that store fat in the body. It improves metabolism, and the antioxidants help detoxify the body, leading to the reduction in fat. 8. Heals wounds. Karela juice has great healing properties. It controls the blood flow and blood clotting that helps in quicker healing of wounds and reduction in infections. 9. Blood purifier. Bitter gourd juice consists of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties that have the ability to treat various skin diseases, flushing away harmful toxins in your blood, and improves blood circulation in your body. 10. Energizes the body. The body's stamina and energy levels show remarkable improvement after regularly consuming Karela juice. It even helps improve sleep quality and reduces sleep problems like insomnia. 11. Benefits the eyes. Karela is rich in vitamin A, which helps prevent cataracts and strengthens vision. It even lightens dark circles. There are some precautions to be taken when drinking bitter gourd juice. Avoid eating the red seeds of Karela, especially by children, as it can lead to pain in stomach and loose motions. It should be consumed in moderation by diabetics, as excessive consumption can drastically lower blood sugar levels in people who are already on medication for diabetes. Avoid eating the seeds in pregnancy, as it can be harmful. If you want more plant-based remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.